Hello, this is Maso. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you all for stopping by today. Thank you so much for being here. I want to acknowledge all the members of my channel who remain patient, stay with me, and show their full support. Know that I sincerely am grateful and appreciate you all. Thank you for staying. To our new viewer, thank you as well for stopping by. I hope you enjoy my video and I encourage you to check out my previous videos before deciding to subscribe. It would be a big help if you join my channel. Again, thank you so much. I am always honored and grateful for all your support of my channel. As I start my day, I always have to have coffee. I think this is the one thing I can't avoid in my life. After I get to sip my coffee, I'll make breakfast. If you watched my last video about my life updates, today I'll continue those updates so you can understand everything. Let's go straight to the point. I am currently trying to apply and see if I can find the right opportunity before planning to take off. Yes, I'm really eager to start traveling and become a full-time YouTuber. I want to travel and don't like staying in one place. Well, I'm looking for a per diem job. I also want you to know that I'm going to start accepting clients who need a social media video editor for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. I realized why not edit videos for others since I've been doing video editing for the last 5 years now. You might ask, why am I only accepting short form videos? It's because I need to save up for a laptop with the good specs to handle long form video editing. With short form editing, I can at least work on my iPad. This laptop I've been wanting has always been at the top of my priority list. But every time I save up and feel ready to get it, something always comes up. I wish someone would sponsor me, like, hello Apple, I need a MacBook. I really hope they see this video. So, if you're a content creator who uploads daily or weekly and needs help with editing, let me do it for you. Send me an email at inquiry.me@yahoo.com and I'll send you my list of video editing prices and packages. I hope you don't just like my video, but also the editing, the color grading, and the transitions. This is my basic cinematic style. And now, I get to sip my coffee. I prepared my chori burger, which I made by mixing soy chorizo and Beyond Meat. When I had a small cafe restaurant back in Makati City, Philippines, the chori burger was one of the top items on my menu. I wasn't vegan yet back then, so I used ground meat and chorizo. It was so delicious. I'm also making ube mochi pancakes now. I got this pancake mix from Trader Joe's and I told myself I had to try it because I'm a big fan of ube. Anything with ube, I'll eat it. Please enjoy the rest of the video as it is an ASMR and part of my mix editing presentation here. I pick up some curtain rod and white curtain. I cut it into half because I want to cover underneath here so that it's not dusty all the time. I'm just gonna put this curtain rod here. I hope this fits. Of course not. I need to open this hook a little bit. White is my favorite color. I love it so much. It always feels fresh, clean, pure, and satisfying to the eyes. If you notice, most of the time in my videos, I wear white. There's one comment I received once. She asked, "What's with the white outfit?" And here is the answer. It's very strange to see that comment because I have never received such a comment in the 5 years of running this channel. And only one person has ever asked about it. I know my van build is slow, but little by little, I can really feel the old Nipa hut vibe inside. It always brings me back to when we were kids during summertime. All of us, my siblings, cousins, would go to my Lola's house in the province for vacation. We were always so excited to be there. I truly miss my younger years with my siblings, cousins, aunts, and especially my Lola and my Lola. And it looks nicer to have this at least. It doesn't look like unfinished. Planning of going to the library to fix the curtain. I have to sew the bottom part, and then this I have to adjust and make sure to do the same width of this one because this is wider than this one, if you can see the difference. So I'm gonna use this pattern to adjust this. I'm gonna rip this off and just do the same as the other one, this one. But it doesn't matter for now. But I'm planning of going to the library because they have a sewing machine there, and I'm gonna fix this curtain. But for now, it's okay. I'm happy about that.